Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Add dynamic table for different ladder to surface. If you click on the surface, there is on the left upper corner. First, we will analyze what type of table you want to attach to our surface. Suppose for direction, we want to add a dynamic table. From the legend, we can assign a table to our surface. If you click here, you can adjust table setting here, like wrap text, maintain view orientation, sort data. From text setting, you can assign text style, and from height, you can adjust the height of the row and cell. Okay, from here, you can add a new column to your table, and from the properties, you can add heading to your table. And if you don't want, you can click here and delete the column. Okay, from number of ranges, you can add how many number of ranges you want. From here, you can increase or decrease the number of ranges. From this color scheme, you can change the color of any range, what color you want. And from here, you can change the table style. I will keep it and apply. Okay. Now, if you want to see what direction, here right click, go to surface style and turn on the direction tab. Then you will see the direction of the surface. If you want to add the table, click on the surface and add legend table and select the direction type, and then from the color you can see on your surface which direction is going to. Okay, if I want to increase or decrease the number, it is dynamic, it will change automatically. Now it is the range is divided into 4. If you turn off, then okay, if I want to slope arrow, check the slope arrow, I can turn on the layer, go to properties and select the slope arrows and increase or decrease the number of ranges. From here you can adjust manually, double click and you can change maximum to minimum as per your requirement. You can edit, you can change the data manually and apply. OK, click on the surface and add legend table, select what type of legend you want to add, and it will appear here, the slope arrow table, and the color will show the data Okay, if I want to check the watershed, turn on the layer, go to right click, go to properties, and change here watershed. By default it is 0. If suppose if you will increase the range, but it don't need, because by default it will divide all ranges. Click apply and then click OK. Now you can see from the plan, add dynamic table to plan, and from here you can see the boundary type, the depression, segment area, everything it's labeled automatically. You can bring to front the table if you don't see under the shed. So like this you can add